G'day everybody. Just a quick video on service reminders. Now, I use these in my business because a lot of my customers want to have a repeat job done on their house. And that is window cleaning. Every 6 months, in effect, is when they're looking to have it done in most instances. So to do that, I just click on the jobs here in the sidebar. Once you're in that area, you can then go through and filter these. I usually filter them by today. I try and stay on top of this. And if I were to select this top customer here, this is a job that I click on the job number, it opens up the actual job that I did today and all the details associated with that job. Now up here in the options area, if I click on New Service Reminder, this opens up the box which allows me to set the date that I want to have the reminder sent. In this instance, I said 6 months, so I'm going to make it at the end of November this year. I'm going to call this Repeat Window Clean, maybe with a W. And all the other details are auto-populated. Now it's going to send out an email template, service reminder. If I save that, that is now set. Now if I go to the email template, I'll show you the email that it will send out. You can set this up any way you like. Service reminder, that's the template name. Do your windows need a clean? That's what's going to say in the subject line to the client. It picks out their name automatically, and it has a message there to the client in regards to this service. It then automatically signs it by my company. If I save that, that's now set in here. And yeah, it's a very, very good way of keeping in touch with your clients without forgetting. Thanks for listening.
Feel free to check out the other videos on our YouTube channel. We have everything from detailed feature guides to customer tips and tricks. If you need any assistance or have any questions, our world-class support team is here to help. You can live chat with us from the app, shoot us an email, or give us a call.